tricks?
It was like my other one was
Whoa,
like this.
Jane. Wow. Hey,
I
Sophie.
did this one, but now I need this one.
Oh my goodness. You girls are very flippy.
Just one more last trick at the top.
Last one.
Me too. Last one at the top. No, I have to do my last one at the bottom. And
Okay.
then I'll do one last one at the top.
Whoa. Okay, Jane.
I did my flip land.
Go ahead, Jane.
Sophie, you probably won't want to do this. But it's easy for me to do it all the way over here.
Okay, great. Now let's hop down.
Now I have to go all the way to the I'm so great, right?
Yeah, you guys are so great.
I mean great. My clothes.
Oh, yep, you're gray.
Colin said to me, "You're just being stupid."
Okay, Calvin needs to come talk to me. That's not okay. All right, good job, Jane. Okay, girls, get together and say goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
You girls are fun.